So, the markets are doing that cautious optimism thing again. Hey everyone, it's Wednesday morning, June 11th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Before we get started, a quick note. Today's episode is sponsored by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. For tailored investment solutions and top-quality mutual funds, visit amf-capital.de. U.S. stocks crept higher on Tuesday as trade talks between the U.S. and China rolled into day 2. After what seemed like a positive first round, investors were feeling, well, a little more hopeful. The Dow ticked up about 0.2%, the Standard & Poor's 500 added around 0.5%, and the Nasdaq climbed roughly 0.6%. Both the Standard & Poor's 500 and Nasdaq are now sitting just below their all-time closing highs. So, yeah, the rally has some legs. What's been helping? Solid earnings, brighter growth forecasts, and of course a little optimism that maybe, just maybe, the US and China will figure out a way to play nice on tariffs. But let's not get too excited. Things are still pretty touchy. The US is pushing for better access to China's rare earth minerals, but the sticking points in these negotiations haven't gone anywhere. Experts say markets will breathe a sigh of relief with any sign of progress, especially given how often Trump's tariff policies have kept investors guessing. Interesting twist, Chinese stocks actually fell on Tuesday before the next round of talks even started. That's a pretty clear sign that folks aren't fully convinced this is going to end with a win. One expert put it bluntly, the market's just too sensitive right now. Meanwhile, on the U.S. domestic front, small business sentiment got a surprise boost in May, the first uptick since September, probably thanks to the current trade truce. But worries about Trump's huge tax and spend plan are still floating around and adding some uncertainty. Now, the big number on everyone's radar? May's Consumer Price Index report, which drops today. That'll give us the latest read on inflation, and analysts are betting we'll see price pressures picking up again. That's your quickie for today. Catch you tomorrow.